Understanding teamwork. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into a concept that is not only important in English but also in various aspects of life: teamwork. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this word means and how to use it in everyday conversations. Teamwork is a compound word, meaning it's made up of two separate words: team and work. Let's look at them individually. Team: a group of people who come together to achieve a common goal. Work: the effort or activity done to accomplish something. When combined, the term teamwork emphasizes the idea of people working together cooperatively to achieve a common objective. Teamwork is essential in many aspects of life. 1. In sports, players in a football or basketball team need to cooperate to win the game. 2. At work, colleagues often collaborate on projects to achieve the best results. 3. In school, students might work in groups to finish a project or solve a problem. When individuals work together as a team, they can pool their strengths, compensate for each other's weaknesses, and come up with more creative solutions than they might have on their own. Let's see how you can use this term in everyday English. 1. Our success was all thanks to teamwork. 2. Teamwork makes the dream work. 3. Without teamwork, we wouldn't have been able to finish the project on time. In the world of English and beyond, teamwork signifies the power of coming together to achieve greater things. It's a term that underscores the importance of collaboration and unity. We hope this explanation helps you grasp its meaning and significance. Remember, as the saying goes, together, everyone achieves more.